All right, y'all. You know how we do. It's Midwest Mayhem 2023. This will be the first time I'm taking my car to Chicago. Super excited. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm at my favorite Quick Trip right by my house. We got the truck and trailer loaded up. Got Fuego on there. Little sketchy today. We're gonna see. So after the trip to Alabama, I let one of the club members use my truck and trailer, and he broke the hitch. So I had to buy a new hitch and put it on. So I honestly have not tested it or used it. This will be the first time that I'm using it. It's a Kurt hitch. So seems to be the best one. So far so good. So we'll see how it does. We got about 10.5 hours to Chicago. Nobody else was going, like nobody. Usually my boy JM goes. I call Smoot didn't answer, so it's just me solo dolo. Well, I'm not solo dolo, I got both the boys with me. So I know y'all seen usually is me and Ray, or me and Noah, and then the last show it was me, Ray, and the baby. Now we got me, Ray, and Noah. So it's kind of like a boys trip. This will probably be the last trip of the season for me. I will try to make Ink Fest in Houston, but I probably won't bring the car. That's me and my wife's anniversary, so I kind of finessed her into taking a trip to Houston on that weekend and then go to the show, so I can't take the car because it'll be too obvious. So this will probably be the last out-of-town trip we take the car to this year. We're gonna sit her down. We got some plans for her, but it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Let's see, it is 3:21 and we're hitting the road. So we're in Marietta, so I'll update you as we go if we see anything on the road. You know how I do. Say hello.
Sup? Hi.
So you can tell the two different personalities. So let's get on the road, and I will see y'all in Chicago or wherever we stop first. All right, so the trip has been, come on boy, what are you waiting on? Trip's been pretty uneventful. A little bit of traffic, but we've been rolling pretty good. We're actually only about an hour and a half from the hotel. We stopped, got gas twice. They wanted McDonald's, so now we're at a Buffalo Wild Wings somewhere in Illinois. No, we haven't made it to Illinois yet. I think we're still in Indiana. So they chose Buffalo Wild Wings. But for a minute there was nothing. So I don't know if you guys have ever been up 65, but there's nothing for miles and miles and miles. So we finally found some civilization. And so we're gonna grab some, eat at this Buffalo Wild Wings. And like I said, we're only about an hour from Chicago. So, ooh, little pickup. Do I see an intercooler? No. A little lowered pickup, side pipe, exhaust, nice. All right, let's get something to eat. So, I figured out where we are. We're in Crown Point, Indiana. And, we're in Buffalo Wild Wings. We got these fancy drinks. And we're the only ones here. I mean, there's a lot of people here, but we're the only ones here. Are y'all having fun? Are you having fun? Hey, see, we just got these fools' phones, right? Are you having fun? What's your favorite part of the trip so far?
The pictures I made.
The pictures you made? What about you? What's your favorite part of the trip so far?
The bridge.
The bridge? What bridge? Oh, in where was that? Kentucky?
As soon as we were leaving Kentucky. The triple ones.
In Kentucky. I should have got footage of that, but I didn't. Okay. So this is actually, I think, the first car show that both of y'all came to together with me.
Huh?
This is the first car show that both of y'all have come to with me, right? Well, besides Caffeine and Octane.
Yeah.
But this is our first together out of town car show. So it's a guys trip weekend. So, should be fun.
feeling super good. It feels like I passed out, and then when I wake up, all my food is gone.
What the hell kids be talking about? All right, so had a good meal. That should carry us through to get to the hotel, get checked in. I'm gonna take a nap. I don't know what they're gonna do, but I need to take a nap and then join the rest of the Ink people for the festivities. But as far as riding, man, she been rolling, no issues.
I need my charger.
Okay, she's been rolling, no issues. New hitch, holding up great. Oh, it's locked. Oh, I have one. I have a charger that you can use. I had to put the stocks on it because I had a really bad alignment on the other wheels and it was wearing the inside. So I put the stocks back on. And surprisingly enough, the transmission temperatures have been low. Like, I mean, I got it down to,
That's my one.
it got down to like 169 at one point while I was cruising, which is like unheard of. Like when we went to Alabama, I had to fall back because it got up to like 230. And coming up here, same car, same trailer, you know, but just different wheels. That's the only thing I changed, and the transmission temps are down significantly. I mean, on average, it's running at like 180. At one point, it got up to like 201. The highest I saw it was 210, and that's because when we were coming over the mountain. But that's it. So, oh, music just came on. But all right, so we got about an hour and a half left. Hour and 50 minutes. It was an hour and a half when we got here, so I guess traffic picked up. But that's what we got left. So we'll hit the road, and of course, if I see anything interesting, I'll film. This is why you don't say nothing. So now the trans temp's at 234. Like, and I think in the last clip, I literally just said, man, it's been going good. Trans temp's been low. But anyway, we're in Chicago, in traffic. Kids are hella excited. Yeah, just in traffic, you know, what we're used to, you know, living in Atlanta. So this is really nothing, but how we gonna get over is what we're gonna see. But here in Chicago, if you've never been there, ooh, caught one. That joint clean as hell. Ooh, drop. Hell yeah. It's clean.
Oh, I got your YouTube thing. I'm
Yeah.
on it, but I just don't get on YouTube that much.
So I don't think I filmed since I got here. So I'm at the hotel, pulled up, got a lot of shit going on. The boys are in the room. Look who I ran into.
Hey, just so you know.
Just so you know. So I've been out here kicking shit with this fool for like 2 hours.
Has it been 2 hours?
It's been like 2 hours. So since I got here, basically.
It's some weed ago.
Yeah, some weed ago. But this is what we got going on.
But some weed ago.
So I think I posted in the earlier video where I realized like the thing was rubbing and it was a whole thing. So there we go. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it now. So kind of just parking lot. I mean, typical Ink car show weekend stuff. Somebody's gonna be fixing something.
Yep.
And why
Somebody's
not?
shit going break.
Why not me? Why not the guy who does this for a living? You know, y'all complain that I haven't posted no videos. I'm not fixing on nothing. Here you go. How to adjust your adjustable lower control arms in a Marriott parking lot in Chicago.
Is it Marriott?
Yeah, it's Marriott.
I didn't know.
Courtyard by Marriott. Yeah.
I don't know.
So
I just
box Chevy pulled up. We got the trailer unhooked, and we just out here doing a bunch of unregulated bullshit that we're not supposed to be doing. So
But look, we don't know what we're doing.
I know what I'm doing. To my subscribers, I know what I'm doing.
I don't know what I'm doing.
So I'm gonna let
Yeah.
my man film, and I'm gonna go ahead and knock this shit out. I'm gonna start real quick.
And shout out to Milwaukee.
Hell yeah.
We was just rapping about that shit.
Man, Milwaukee's the
I just switched to Milwaukee a month ago or so. Sold all my Snap-on shit.
So we're right here. Coming through with the clutch.
This tool, so what is the name of this tool you're using?
These are vice grips.
These are called, can you show the subscribers?
They know what the fuck a vice grip is?
They might not, you don't know. That's
you know what, you're right. We was talking about that, vice grips.
You don't know, man. It could be some newbie learning, some kids you could be inspiring.
You're right.
And he's just like, this guy's not really helping me understand what the fuck's going on.
You know what?
So what he's doing is, that's a rear control arm. It's a lower control arm. Okay, it controls how far back and how forward the rear end sits. That top one controls the pitch. Is that what you? I don't know what the American word is.
Pinion angle.
Yeah, pinion angle. So I'm saying like pitch, like that. Yeah. So yeah, same thing I think.
Fucking metric system.
Yeah, fuck yeah. And then that thingy hanging down there, that's called a sway bar, so you can get your sway on.
So you can't get your sway on.
Well,
it stops you from getting your sway.
I get it. We were saying the same thing, man. Just, I fucking. You know what? Hit this. Get on my level.
It's a cigarette.
I know. I was just saying it for the video. They don't know what's going on behind the screen. Don't edit that shit. Leave that shit in.
You gonna have me out here dying.
Yeah, let's get you guys a better view.
Yeah, this is real backyard shit. Don't try this at home. This is some real, like, I really don't want to do this, but I have to type.
Yeah, you need to.
Yeah, that should be good right there.
So what he's doing is, it's a threaded bushing end. So once you turn it, it pulls out or goes in, and that adjusts its front and back.
Now,
see, that's what you gotta think about it. When you make videos, you gotta explain that shit.
I do not, but I need to.
Yeah,
I need a ratchet strap now. Yeah, look, watch this. So I need to pull the rear end back.
Yep.
To get the whole, huh? No, that's why I got the ratchet strap.
Now you put it on the frame.
Yep. Put it on the frame and around the rear end, and we're good to go. So we're gonna put it on this hole right here. I wasn't always a professional.
I still ain't.
So this is the type of shit
Hey, look, man, I don't know what I'm doing. I just know how to do it, baby.
Right?
That's been my life philosophy.
This is the type of shit that
That's how I learned to America, just doing it and fucking up and figuring it out. Bro, the first time I ever did head gaskets, bro, I made it like
10 times harder than it had to be?
No, I made it like 0.2 miles and then the shit blew up.
Hey, don't trip. The first time I ever did drum brakes was in an AutoZone parking lot on an 85 Cutlass Supreme. And I had never did drum brakes before. I ended up having to redo the whole brake system right there in the parking lot.
Yeah. Fuck drum brakes.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Ain't no Caprice. Fuck that emergency brake, it'll be alright. So this is a really good explanation of how to do this if you're by yourself. And then you just crank that soldier boy. And what that will do is hopefully bring it back enough to line up here. Almost. Go back some more. Yep, so using this to pry it just enough because it's almost in there, but not quite.
Yeah, 2013, I ripped my Camaro apart to restore it. Bruh, I had an iPad. Bruh, it's the longest time you'll hear me talking without a fucking cuss word. I did it all professional, okay? And then here's the kicker. I don't know if you guys remember, if your team iPhone, 2015, Apple had an update where it deleted everybody's shit if it wasn't backed up to the cloud.
No,
the
15
entire country.
15 I was still on Android.
Yeah, entire country full of Apple users were fucking livid.
I bet.
So when that happened, everything I had recorded for that Camaro got deleted.
Damn.
So because of that, I was like, fuck this, I'm never doing this again.
Just killed your confidence.
Not confidence.
Just
Not, no, like, do you know how much effort and time, editing and all? I'm not, fuck all that.
Did you just ask me that?
Yeah, I did.
I only, you know, oh, you know what? Stop it and then start it again. So it's not, that clip is like 8 minutes. Right? Yeah, I went to school to be a mechanic.
I didn't.
I
was at my interview. They're like, so you know how to do struts? Yes. You know how to swap an engine? Yes. Can you do transfer case swap it? Yes. Can you do heads? Yes.
I went to school for this shit.
Fuck, I gotta figure this out.
I went to school, but you know what? I dropped out. I didn't stay. I got bored.
Yeah.
I got bored. Let's see. Hopefully that worked. That was it wasn't a lot of work, but I don't want to do it again.
Yeah, no doubt.
Not right now.
I'm putting the wheel back on.
Yeah, we gonna see right now. Whew, look at that.
Funkiatos, baby.
Look at that. Plenty of clearance.
Hell yeah.
I think that did it. Not touching your butt. Long ass freaking stuff. It's not stripped, it just sounds like that. See? It's only stripped at the beginning and then. I didn't want no fries. So Leo brought us up to the event space tonight, and yo, it's like always something going on out here. So I'm gonna just give y'all a little sneak peek real quick what's going on. Got a bunch of bikes. So we're parked over there on the grass. Yeah, no, it's good. Maybe we all going back to the same place. Dude, you're right next door. Oh, I thought you were trying to hand me my food. There it is. I came last year. You gotta hear these dogs though. No, don't stop now.
Lucy, sit, baby, sit.
Sounds like a CTSV. We got real horsepower out here, guys.
Can't wait to do my other swap out.
All right, so it's the next morning. Good sleep. So we gotta find a car wash, and I get these knuckleheads some breakfast. So it's kind of the setup how I had the car blocked in last night, and my room is literally right there, so I can actually see the car, the truck, the trailer from my room. So little security, you know, block it in, whatever. So found a car wash around the corner, so I'm gonna go hit the car wash so I can get her washed up for the show, and then we'll grab some breakfast, or here, hold on, or whatever order we decide to. Hold the camera up like you film it. So that's what we're gonna do. Just make some room.